Here at the Polycystic Kidney Disease Foundation, our vision is to end PKD. And that vision drives our mission to give hope through funding research, advocating for patients, and building a community for all those impacted by PKD. Since 1982, the Foundation has funded $50 million for PKD research through more than 1,300 different research projects. Research funding has seen a 230% annual growth over the last 5 years. Even with the COVID-19 pandemic, PKD research persisted. Beyond our funded research, the AD-PKD Registry is another tool for understanding PKD. It's the largest patient registry for AD-PKD patients and the only direct-to-patient nationwide registry in the United States. Through enrolling, patients are able to share their experience and even be matched with ongoing clinical studies. The data collected is essential in advancing knowledge of the disease and supporting the development of new treatments. As we work to end PKD, creating a community for those impacted is essential. Through PKD Connect, patients and caregivers can find educational webinars, nutrition tips, pain management advice, and more. Our peer mentor program pairs mentors and mentees to help patients feel less alone. No matter where you are on your PKD journey, these mentors can help you gain knowledge, provide encouragement, and act as a shoulder to lean on when you need it most. Along with these virtual support systems, events like the Walk for PKD and the PKD Connect conference bring the PKD community together in person. Both events unite members of the PKD community, from patients to researchers, to raise awareness, to share research updates, and to connect families, researchers, and clinicians together. Fighting for the needs of the PKD community on Capitol Hill is another important function of the Foundation. We've helped leverage $1.5 billion from federal funding, with over 50% of our current grantees receiving additional funding for their PKD research. But that's not all. Securing protections for living donors and other patient-centered legislation are also our top priorities. These accomplishments are only possible because of the dedicated financial support of the PKD community. In 2018, the PKD Foundation launched Future Focus, an ambitious $70 million capital campaign that was focused on tripling our research commitment and attacking PKD on several fronts. To date, we've secured $68.9 million, including $15 million for a restricted research endowment. Next year is the PKD Foundation's 40th anniversary. Over the past 4 decades, the PKD Foundation has been there for every critical milestone of progress. From our partnerships that helped find the first PKD gene in the 80s, to seeing the first FDA-approved treatment. So as we reflect on where we are today, it's also important to know where we're going. And the PKD Foundation has big plans to further our vision of ending PKD. We'll establish the PKD Centers of Excellence to create a national standard of care and provide education to physicians and other healthcare providers. We'll expand the AD-PKD Registry so we can gather even more invaluable data for PKD researchers and clinicians, helping us reach that finish line of achieving our vision sooner. To ensure more treatments get to market and get to market faster, we'll build critical partnerships through collaborations in finding new drug development tools, both for AD and AR-PKD. There's still a long way to go, and we want progress to be so much faster. We can't do this without you. Please, keep talking about PKD with your family and friends. Share your experience through the registry to further researchers' understanding of the disease. Your experience can help move research forward. And remember, we're here every step of the way with you, from care to cure. Together, we'll fulfill our vision to end PKD. For more information or ways to get involved, visit pkdcure.org.